High in the cold desert valleys of Ladakh, where winter bites hard and the wind never rests, warmth begins at the feet. These are Konglan traditional stitched boots, handmade to survive the Himalayan freeze. Crafted from thick wool, felt, and leather, Konglan are built layer by layer. The outer surface is often made from yak or sheep hide, while the inside is padded with soft wool for insulation. Every piece is hand-stitched, the needle moving slowly, through tough material patience stitched into protection. The designs are simple, sometimes embroidered, sometimes left raw but always practical. The sole is thick, gripping icy terrain. The shape allows flexibility while walking on snow-covered paths. For generations, Konglan have been worn by farmers, herders, monks, and villagers, not as fashion, but as survival. Today, as factory-made shoes replace handmade ones, fewer artisans continue this craft. But in each pair of Konglan lives the memory of mountain life. Resilient, grounded, enduring. This is not just footwear. This is climate, culture, and craft, stitched together.